Few firearms have shaped history like the AK-47. It has been used in wars, revolutions, and conflicts worldwide, becoming the most recognized and widely used assault rifle in the world. But did you know that there are dozens of variations of this legendary firearm, each with unique characteristics, origins, and design improvements? In this video, we're going to explore the many variants of the AK-47, from its earliest models to modern adaptations. Before we dive in, make sure you're locked and loaded. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. If you enjoy videos like this, smash that like button and let us know which AK variant is your favorite in the comments. The origins of the AK-47. The birth of a legend. The story of the AK-47 begins in the aftermath of World War II. The Soviet Union sought a new rifle to replace the aging bolt-action Mosin-Nagant and the cumbersome PPSH-41 submachine gun. Mikhail Kalashnikov, a Soviet tank commander turned firearms designer, developed the AK-47 in 1947. The rifle was heavily influenced by German and American firearm designs, particularly the German STG-44 and the American M1 Garand. However, the AK-47 was uniquely Soviet in its simplicity, reliability, and ease of production. The first iteration of the AK-47, known as the Type 1, featured a stamped sheet metal receiver. But due to early manufacturing difficulties, production shifted to a milled receiver design. This version, called the Type 2, was more robust but heavier and time-consuming to manufacture. Finally, the Type 3 became the most widely recognized early AK-47 variant, with an improved milled receiver and simplified production methods. The Type 3 was the last true AK-47 before the transition to the modernized AKM. One of the early variants of the AK-47 was the AKS-47, which featured a metal underfolding stock for use by airborne troops. This variant allowed for greater portability while maintaining the same internal mechanisms and reliability as the standard model. The AKM, the most produced AK variant. In 1959, the Soviet Union introduced the AKM, Avtomat Kalashnikova Modernizirovanny, a modernized version of the AK-47 that would go on to become the most mass-produced AK variant in history. Unlike its predecessor, the AKM featured a stamped sheet metal receiver, significantly reducing weight and production costs. The AKM introduced several key improvements over the original AK-47. A lighter stamped receiver, making the rifle more manageable. A slant compensator on the muzzle to reduce recoil and muzzle climb. A ribbed top cover, increasing durability and reducing weight. Lighter and more cost-effective manufacturing methods, allowing for mass production. The AKMS, a folding stock variant of the AKM, became popular among airborne and mechanized infantry units due to its compact design. With millions produced worldwide, the AKM became the standard issue rifle for Soviet forces and was widely exported to Allied nations. AK variants around the world, licensed and unlicensed copies. As the AK platform gained prominence, many countries began producing their own versions, some officially licensed by the Soviet Union, while others were unlicensed copies. Each nation made modifications to suit their specific military needs, resulting in a diverse range of AK rifles. Licensed variants 1. AK-63, Hungary. A near-identical copy of the AKM, with some Hungarian modifications, including a distinctive forward grip on some models. 2nd PMMD, 63, Romania, recognizable by its wooden dong foregrip, which provides additional stability. 3rd, Zastava M70, Yugoslavia, Serbia, featuring a heavier receiver, reinforced trunnion, and an optional grenade-launching sight, making it one of the most durable AK variants. Unlicensed variants 1. Type 56, China. China reverse-engineered the AK and developed its own version, the Type 56. Notable differences include a fully hooded front sight and an integrated folding bayonet. Second, Khyber Pass AKs, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Handmade copies of various AK models, often assembled with mismatched parts and questionable reliability. These rifles are infamous for their rough craftsmanship. 3. Egyptian Mahdi AKs, Egypt. Essentially a near-perfect copy of the Soviet AKM, manufactured under license and widely used in the Middle East. Many of these variants have been exported to conflict zones worldwide, making the AK rifle a common sight on battlefields from Africa to the Middle East. The AK-74, a new era of the Kalashnikov. In the 1970s, the Soviet Union realized that the 7.62 by 39 mm round, while powerful, lacked the high-speed performance of NATO's 5.56 by 45 mm round. This led to the development of the AK-74, chambered in 5.45 by 39 mm, a lighter, faster round with superior accuracy and reduced recoil. Key features of the AK-74 include a new muzzle brake, dramatically reducing recoil and muzzle climb, lighter ammunition, allowing soldiers to carry more rounds in combat, distinctive orange bakelite magazines, differentiating it from 7.62 mm AK variants. The AKS-74, with its side-folding stock, became the preferred rifle for airborne and mechanized units. Over time, the AK-74 evolved into the AK-74M, a modernized version with black polymer furniture, a side-folding stock, and improved durability. The AK-74M remains in service with Russian forces today. Modern AK variants, the AK in the 21st century. As warfare evolved, so did the AK platform. The Russian military sought a more modular and adaptable rifle, leading to the development of the AK-12, a next-generation AK designed for modern combat. The AK-12 features a full-length Picatinny rail, allowing for optics and accessories. Improved ergonomics, including an adjustable stock and redesigned safety selector. Enhanced accuracy with better barrel harmonics and a new muzzle device. Beyond military use, the AK platform has seen significant modifications for civilian and sporting purposes. The Saiga and Vapor rifles, manufactured by Kalashnikov concern, provide semi-automatic versions for hunting and sport shooting. Additionally, American-made AKs, such as the KR-103 by Kalashnikov USA, bring Soviet-style AK designs to the Western market. The AK-47 and its many variants have stood the test of time. From the battlefields of the Cold War to modern-day conflicts, the AK remains one of the most reliable, durable, and widely used rifles in history. Its variants, each with their own unique features and improvements, showcase the adaptability of Kalashnikov's original design. Whether it's the classic AK-47, the mass-produced AKM, the precision-oriented AK-74, or the modern AK-12, the Kalashnikov family of rifles continues to shape the world of firearms. Which AK variant is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more firearm history and breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time only on Armory Archives.